Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. This is a 10 by 20 inch canvas with some red and some blue and some green interferences on it, and I don't like it. And no matter what it was going to be, it's going to be something different now. So I'm going to spread some black, some white, some gold, and some Rhapsody rose as I see fit, and whatever else occurs to me at the time, and I'll work with what I've got. And it's an interesting way to begin in any case. I've also pulled out some Cyan Aqua. And I might make a mess, and that will be okay with me. A little gold, and it might be good to go. I didn't do any white. I'm going to do a little bit of white. It's Dazzling White from Decoart. If I don't like it, I'll do more black, because I really liked how it started, and I could have stopped right there and been pretty happy. And I might do mark making. I like how the Rhapsody rose looks. I'm surprised. I'm also surprised by how much I like this. Although I'm not done. But it might be done now. That last mark was questionable. Now, do I want to put anything else in there? I might want a little tiny bit more Rhapsody rose, and otherwise I think I'm done. This goes to show how fast a piece of contemporary art can happen, if you're lucky. I've got my rubber brush too. I don't think I'm ready for the rubber brush, but I think I'm done. And I really wanted to find out what interferences would look like in the background behind something like this. So now I know. And leaving the lines of gold behind means that they'll show up really a lot. I like it from all sides. There's a guy on a tightrope. That's interesting. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the compliments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. I really appreciate you guys being here. If you watch longer, or watch some of the commercials, or make a comment, those things are all super helpful to me. My creative playlists are on my YouTube channel. And if you go to my YouTube channel banner, you'll find the PayPal icon. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links on my link tree. My community board will show you tomorrow's videos. If you have questions or you want the paint pouring recipe, ask me questions. It will. The paint pouring recipe is below Show More. When you click Show More, you're going to find my email address. Thank you for everything. Shop my Amazon link, please. You can buy anything you want from there. And my 2 books are there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, volumes 1 and 2. Thank you again for being here. I love you guys dearly. You inspire the heck out of me. Bye for now. Priscilla out.